The Copter Pack Gen 3 represents an exciting leap toward the dream of personal, wearable flight. Instead of a traditional aircraft with wings or a cockpit, this innovative machine is worn like a backpack. A single pilot can strap it on and lift straight into the air, thanks to two powerful, adjustable rotors that provide vertical lift. Built with a carbon fiber honeycomb frame, the Gen 3 stays lightweight while remaining strong and durable. Its wide 3.1-meter rotor span is carefully designed to balance agility with smooth, responsive control. One of the biggest improvements over earlier versions is the self-leveling autopilot system. This smart technology helps keep the craft stable in the air and automatically adjusts for the pilot's movements, making it much easier and safer to fly with minimal training. During prototype test flights, the Copter Pack Gen 3 reached impressive heights of up to 3,048 meters and achieved speeds close to 124 miles per hour under controlled conditions. It can also carry a payload of around 265 pounds. While it is still experimental, the Gen 3 offers a fascinating glimpse into a future where compact, intuitive personal flight could become a reality. The Jetson 1 is a groundbreaking personal flying vehicle built to make solo flight easy, safe, and exciting for everyday people. Designed as a single-seat electric aircraft, it uses advanced aviation technology while keeping controls simple enough for beginners. The lightweight frame is made from aluminum and carbon fiber, and it is powered by 8 electric motors that allow vertical takeoff and landing. Flying the Jetson 1 feels intuitive. Pilots use a 4-axis joystick to control movement, while a smart onboard computer automatically stabilizes the aircraft. This means even first-time flyers can feel comfortable and confident within minutes. On a full charge, the Jetson 1 can fly for about 20 minutes, reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour, and climb safely to around 1,500 feet. Safety is a major focus of the design. The aircraft includes multiple backup motors, an automatic landing system, and a built-in ballistic parachute for emergencies. Its compact, foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, adding to its practicality. The Jetson 1 represents the future of personal electric flight, showing how individual air travel could soon become a normal part of everyday life. The Altavolo Sigma is a next-generation personal aircraft built to take flying further than today's air mobility ideas. Designed as a hybrid electric VTOL, it can take off and land vertically like a helicopter, but fly long distances like an airplane. It seats 3 people and uses electric power for smooth, quiet vertical lift, while liquid fuel takes over for longer journeys. Thanks to this hybrid system, the Sigma can travel up to 510 miles, cruise at around 220 miles per hour, and reach top speeds close to 290 miles per hour, flying as high as 10,000 feet. Unlike many electric aircraft that are limited to short trips, the Sigma is made for regional travel without runways, opening the door to real personal flight. One of its standout features is how quiet it is, over 80% quieter than traditional helicopters, making it suitable for takeoffs near cities, rooftops, yachts, or remote locations. Safety is a top priority, with redundant flight systems and a ballistic parachute that can deploy even at low altitudes. Built from lightweight carbon composites and equipped with advanced avionics and future-ready autonomous technology, the Altavolo Sigma represents a bold and practical step toward everyday personal air travel. Leo Coupe is a futuristic personal aircraft designed to work like a real electric flying car. Built by Leo Flight, it blends everyday convenience with fast air travel. This compact 2-seat vehicle is small enough to park in a normal car garage, yet powerful enough to fly at high speeds. Unlike traditional aircraft with big exposed rotors, the Leo Coupe uses many small electric ducted jets. These jets allow it to take off and land vertically, fly smoothly forward, and stay safe even if some motors stop working. This smart design improves efficiency and reliability. The aircraft is controlled through a fly-by-wire system and includes semi-autonomous features, making it easier for regular people to operate as aviation rules continue to evolve. The expected cruise speed ranges from 200 to 250 miles per hour, with a flight range of about 250 to 300 miles and nearly 1 hour of flight time. Safety is a top priority. The Leo Coupe includes a ballistic parachute, emergency airbags, and automatic stabilization to help during unexpected situations. A wide panoramic canopy offers excellent visibility, making flights safer and more enjoyable. Overall, the Leo Coupe represents a bold step toward the future of urban and intercity air mobility, bringing flying cars closer to everyday life. Rocket. The Rise Recon is an innovative, ultralight electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, aircraft designed to make personal flying easy and fun. Created by Rise Aero Technologies, this single-seat aircraft follows FAA Part 103 ultralight rules, which means you don't need a traditional pilot's license to fly it. With its open-frame design and 6 independent electric motors, the Recon offers exceptional stability and safety, even for first-time flyers. Its lightweight build and simple joystick controls make takeoff and landing intuitive, while removable battery packs make charging and operating in the field hassle-free. The Recon can reach speeds of up to 63 miles per hour and fly around 25 miles on a single charge. It's even capable of taking off from and landing on water thanks to its built-in flotation system. Perfect for agriculture, land surveying, and outdoor adventures, the Recon features AI-assisted flight controls that help pilots hover, cruise, and maneuver safely over rural landscapes. Whether you're exploring new areas or getting work done from the air, the Rise Recon brings personal aviation within reach, making the thrill of flying simple, safe, and accessible for everyone. The Phantom 3500 is a revolutionary super mid-size business jet from the U.S. startup Otto Aerospace, set to transform private aviation. Designed with laminar flow aerodynamics and lightweight carbon fiber composites, it drastically cuts drag and fuel consumption, promising up to 60% less fuel use and around 90% lower emissions when using sustainable aviation fuel. One of its most unique features is the windowless cabin, replaced by high-definition, supernatural vision, displays that show real-time external views. This not only enhances efficiency but also creates an immersive experience for passengers. The spacious interior can carry up to 9 passengers and offers fully customizable layouts with a touch of futuristic luxury. Built for long-range, high-speed travel, the Phantom 3500 perfectly blends performance, comfort, and sustainability. Its debut flight is planned for 2027, with commercial service expected by 2030. Interest has been strong, with 300 firm orders from FlexJet, showing confidence in this bold new approach to private aviation. In short, the Phantom 3500 is not just a jet, it's the future of sustainable, high-performance business travel, combining cutting-edge technology, luxury, and environmental responsibility in one sleek package. The Archer Midnight is a cutting-edge electric aircraft designed to make city travel faster, quieter, and more efficient. Built by Archer Aviation, it carries 1 pilot and 4 passengers, making it perfect for short urban trips. Its unique tilt propeller system lets it take off and land vertically like a helicopter and then smoothly transition to forward flight, reaching speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. Depending on the route, it can cover 20 to 50 miles on a single charge. Made with a lightweight composite frame and powered by multiple electric motors, the Midnight is much quieter than traditional helicopters, cruising at only about 45 decibels. Its design also includes safety features like system redundancy and simplified controls to make flights more reliable. Archer has already completed successful transition flights, showing the aircraft can hover and cruise at over 100 miles per hour, an important step toward official certification. The Midnight is ideal for city commutes and airport connections, offering a sustainable alternative to road traffic. With regulations in progress, Archer plans to roll it out as part of an urban air mobility network, bringing us closer to a future where flying taxis are a normal part of daily life, fast, quiet, and eco-friendly. Glycerev Acro is a bold and futuristic personal aircraft concept designed to make flying feel exciting, smooth, and emotional. Created by Glycerev Design on the French Riviera, this lightweight electric VTOL aircraft is imagined for leisure pilots and luxury settings such as superyachts, where traditional runways are not possible. What makes the Acro truly unique is its cycloidal rotor system, which allows thrust to move in any direction. This gives the aircraft incredible stability, precise control, and the ability to perform full 3D aerobatic maneuvers. Whether flying over open water or along beautiful coastlines, the Acro promises a highly responsive and thrilling experience. Inside the cockpit, simplicity is key. The pilot controls the aircraft using 2 joysticks, with no foot pedals needed. Digital side-mounted displays make flying intuitive, even for recreational users. A strong safety harness sits beneath a sleek, tilting polycarbonate canopy, offering both protection and visibility. The Acro runs on quiet electric motors, reducing noise and environmental impact. Safety is further improved with redundant propulsion systems and a built-in ballistic parachute. Although still a concept, the Glycerev Acro represents a fresh and joyful vision for the future of personal flight. The Volanaut Airbike is a futuristic personal flying vehicle that looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Often described as a real-life flying motorcycle, it was developed by Polish inventor Tomasz Patton under the Volanaut brand. Designed for one rider, the airbike puts the pilot in an open, motorcycle-style seating position, giving a full 360-degree view of the surroundings while flying. What makes the Volanaut Airbike stand out is its incredibly lightweight design. It weighs around 66 pounds, thanks to the use of advanced carbon fiber materials and 3D printed parts. Instead of using propellers like drones or helicopters, it relies on small jet turbines. These are supported by a smart flight computer and a custom stabilization system that helps keep the airbike balanced and stable in the air. As an ultralight personal aircraft, the airbike can reach speeds of about 63 miles per hour, with early test flights showing it could go even faster, close to 124 miles per hour. It can fly for roughly 10 minutes on a single fuel load, and refueling takes less than a minute. Built for fast, agile movement through tight spaces, the Volanaut Airbike represents a bold step toward the future of personal flight. Rocket.